Welcome to Super Anime Unboxing Wolf. I'm Fang. How are you all doing today? Welcome to part 3 of my Funko Pop collection. Let's get started. First we have Kirito from Sword Art Online from the Pop Animation line. I got this from my Akubento. This theme was Harmony. I like to keep these sealed in the box. Alright. Next we have the Joker from the Batman the Animated Series. This was actually a gift. Got it from my friend Jason for Christmas. Thanks, buddy. Next, we have Sailor Venus and Artemis from Sailor Moon. Very nice. Next, we have Sailor Jupiter from Sailor Moon. We have Tuxedo Mask. This was also another gift from my friend Jason. Once again, thank you for the gift. He wears a mask too. Guess we both have one thing in common. Next we have Sailor Mars from Sailor Moon. I like her pose. Very nice. And now we have the star of the show, Sailor Moon with Luna. The only one I'm missing is Sailor Mercury. I'll get her eventually, but for now the set is good. Hang on one second. Last but not least is I guess this counts, but a pop pocket with Hatsune Muki. I got it from Akubento. Probably can keep it sealed. Okay, this has concluded part 3 of my my Funko Pop collection. Let me give you a hint with the next what part 4 is going to be. Let's just say it's a little scary and it might have a jump scare. Till then, I'm Fang. Like and subscribe if you like this video. Until then, have a nice day.